Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about Akeneo SEO Manager. So this module is going to provide you SEO management tools that is going to allow you to improve SEO for your online store. It allows you to check the SEO snippet previews for the product. The admin can check the availability of focus keywords in the SEO fields like title, content, meta description and many more. This SEO tool even allows the admin to check the character count for the SEO title and the meta description. The admin can also check the SEO analysis for improvising the SEO of any product. This module supports the product and the product model, and it also works for the variant product model. So before we dive further into the workflow of the module, please subscribe to our channel, and yes, do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any update or notification from our channel. So now let's quickly jump into the workflow of the module. So this is the admin panel of the module, and after the successful installation of the module, you will see the Akeneo SEO Manager icon on the left side of the dashboard. So here you can see that SEO management icon. So tapping on this Akeneo SEO management icon, it will redirect you to the new page for SEO configuration, in which you need to map the certain fields. So just let it open here. Yeah, so here you can see that SEO field, common attribute mapping, variant attribute mapping. So these are the certain fields that you need to map. So the first keyword, so here the admin can map the focus keyword for this product. Focus keyword help your product to increase the product search ranking, and after that you just need to map it here from the common attribute mapping to the variant attribute mapping. And after, the next is article heading. So this is the main heading of the product, which must have the part of the keywords, and you can map them in Akeneo. Now the third is URL. So URL is the permanent link of your product. This also needs to be mapped in Akeneo. And the next is content. This is basically the description. So this description and content will help to increase the ranking of your product. The admin can map the description for this product. Next is SEO title. So the SEO title is part of this snippet together with at least a URL and a meta description. And talking about the meta description, so it is basically a brief description about the product. So we just need to map the certain fields here in the SEO configuration, and after that we just need to click on this save button to save this configuration or the mapping. So I'm clicking on this save button. Now I have successfully saved this configuration. Now the next thing I need to do, I'll click on this product, and on this page you can see the list of already existing products which have already been created. Now I want to create a new product. So in order to create a new product, you need to click on this create button. So here you can see that product and the product model. So you need to select product if you want to create a simple and virtual product, and you need to select product model if you want to create configurable product with variations. So I'll be creating products, and I'll be showing you the SEO management with those products. So here I have created a simple product, sunglasses. So I'll be just opening this product for you, and I have entered the values like SKU, name of the product, and all the important details of the product here. So after filling up the product basic details like name, price, weight, like the size, I have given the size medium. And then, so after just filling up all these basic details, you will just scroll it down, and you will find SEO Attribute Tab. So in the SEO Attribute Tab, you need to fill in certain details like the focus keyword, article heading, URL, content, and SEO title, meta description, and all. So I have filled in these values here. So SEO title is sunglasses, URL is sunglasses underscore URL, and I have written a certain description. So here you need to write the description of your product. So let me just change it a little bit here. Sunglasses for men. And so after filling in all these details for the SEO attribute, you just need to click on the save button to save all these details that you have just filled in. Now in the left hand side you can see the SEO Analyzer tab. So here in the SEO Analyzer tab, you need to click on this tab. The SEO Analyzer will show you the status of the product SEO level. So to check the SEO level, click on this tab. So I'm clicking on this tab, and this is where I have arrived. So here you can see the details, like in this tab, admin can view the number of focus keywords, article heading, URL, content description, SEO title, meta description, that all these details have been provided. Now to check the SEO analysis, you will scroll it down, and you will find a check button in the right hand side. So you just need to click on this check button, and it will check the SEO analysis for your product. So I am just clicking on this check button here. After that, you will just scroll it down, and here you will see the suggestions, like there are 3 words in the content, this is very low and should be increased. The page title length is less than 40 characters, the meta description length is less than 50 characters, the content readability score, the keyword density, focus keywords. So it will give you all the suggestions about your product. So you can consider all these suggestions and make changes accordingly to your product to improve the SEO of your product. So the admin can view all the ways and suggestions for improving or improvising the SEO level for your product. The Akeneo SEO Manager module also works for the product model and the product model variants. So please watch the next video for the same.